Market women for Osa Market, where everybody know as Ekiosa Market, don't carry waka go beg His Royal Majesty Oba Ewuare II, Oba of Benin Kingdom, CFR, say make he help them talk to the Edo State government, make he not destroy Ekiosa Market. This one come after 2 weeks on ultimatum where the state government give market women for Oba Market and Osa Market to go look for where to sell for other markets for Benin City. This ultimatum come from the government through the leader of Edo State Market Women Association, Madam Blackie Omoroge Ogiame, to the time where them go rebuild the market. Blessing Ewuare wey be the talk person for the market women come talk say them carry peaceful we no go gree come the Oba Palace sake of say the government plan to destroy Osa Market go put market women for debt and suffer sake of say many of them go borrow to rebuild their shop wey them see say government support no come since the fire destroyed the market for December 19, 2019.
Again, they not like Ekiosa 2019. They not like Ekiosa. Many of them not like Ekiosa. Man, do adolescent. Man, do a boy. Man, I am go to school. Man, I am go back. Man, I go rock. I am managing life. I just Friday get in a Blackie or Ray. I went right down a governor tell me where 1 week. My Remy, my line work today. Man, they can Magiriana, they can Maggie Prophet man Magiriana, the Magiriana away my Makba, where my mother were had to demolish a Kirinya, Mahu.
Bless you, welcome back Oba Ewuare II say make it help them tell the state government make them put fence, gates, and standby fire service station for the market instead of the demolition plan. She constantly begged the Oba to send some chief to come see the market for waiting them call on the spot assessment of the market so that they go see waiting the market women they talk. According to her, them not add the market women for Ekiosa Market join the people where the state government give 100 million livelihood support loan to help them where fire destroy their market. She can say now the palace be their last hope, say since the fire way happened for 2019, them they suffer and struggle to survive, and say them borrow money to take rebuild their shop, and say every market woman pay 20,000 naira to market security before them let them rebuild their shops with blocks, and say then they pay money for security, dirty, and taxes to Oredo local government council every day.
Igwa mure mama migo amaga go nima when me gena nya me marry one na amaga go igo no pase kumure 100 million no mure mama migo amaga nima lakina migo ni e mani laki onaga ni ya ma ke besto ave security ma be ki was net here work a besto where you pay 20,000 naira no ya besto ya ko the authority no ya besto umanyo ba 20,000 ya mu ya ko ni ma besto ki man makaye no gie ma be yo 20,000 ma be mu ma manyo ba security ma hae was net ma hae.
Chief Uyi Okungbowa, the Oba Ewuare of Benin, wey talk to the market women on behalf of the chiefs, come talk say them don't hear their complaints and say they go tell the people where the matter concern to touchlight the matter wella. Chief Okungbowa constantly advised the market women make them not take law into their own hands, saying they assure them say they go find peaceful way to settle the matter for them. From Benin City, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.